Exercise number 1. Create a JavaFX application that resembles the window shown below. The application should meet the following minimum requirements. First, a text field where users can enter their name. Second, a label to display the name. Third, a button that, when clicked, displays the entered name exercise. Feel free to improve the layout according to your preference. Remember, the purpose of this exercise is to build an application quickly, using your programming note. Employ the copy and paste method to expedite your coding process. Please pause this video and begin writing your code. Once you have understood the question, you may unpause when you are ready to proceed to the next question. Exercise number 2. Develop a window in JavaFX that includes the following elements. 1. A circle with a colored outline. 2. A straight line originating from the center of the circle and extending to its edge. 3. A dot positioned on the circumference of the circle. Students can utilize the provided code snippet to generate a dot. Please pause the video and start to write your code. Exercise number 3. Construct a window in JavaFX that features the following elements. 1. A button. Upon clicking the button, an image should load into the window. 2. A label or text that explains the image. Please pause the video and start to write your code. Exercise number 4. Build a JavaFX window featuring the following components. 1. A digital clock displayed within a polygonal shape. The clock should update in real time. 2. Two colored lines meeting at one end. 3. A rectangle of a defined color positioned adjacent to one of the lines. Please pause the video and start to write your code. Exercise number 5. Develop a JavaFX application that includes 1. An arc representing a quarter of a circle. 2. A pie slice filling a quarter of a circle with a specified color. 3. Another arc filled with color, representing an additional quarter of a circle. Please pause the video and start to write your code.